Another debut here at Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. A little bit rainy, but on day one, we're not waiting. And Sam Bissett, how are you, buddy?
Good. Good to see you.
VP of Marketing for Fluid Motion. This is a Cutwater. This is one of your brands. Tell me about this one. Brand new. I haven't been on it. Few have seen it. Tell me about it.
Brand new Cutwater 288 command bridge. So this is a 10-foot beam boat, so trailerable. Command bridge up top for entertaining, cruising, docking, happy hour. Great spot up there. And then inside, obviously, climate controlled, beautiful, comfortable cabin that is really doing us a lot of favors today in the rain.
Yeah, I was going to say, actually, this is, we have arranged this on purpose. We're not making the best of a bad situation. I said, right. Sam, let's wait for a rainy day so we can highlight how comfortable it is in here. And you know, this is actually a good, I'm 6'1", so lots of headroom, even though it's a smaller vessel. And it's very comfortable. So you do have the outdoor space, you do have the command bridge, but on a day like this, which happen, and people that buy your boats are boaters, they're not floaters, so they're going to be out, you can enjoy it. You pack a lot into here. Tell me about, you know, what, you're seeing stuff that you see on larger yachts.
That's it, really. We're trying to bring the comfort of a larger yacht to a smaller platform. So that's where that term pocket yachts comes from. A lot of times people will refer to this as a pocket yacht, but you can sleep two very comfortably in the front. You have an enclosed head and shower. You have a spot for your clothes. You have a hanging locker, all that in the front. This dinette drops to a berth, so you can sleep two here. And then there's a mid berth below where you can sleep two more people. You know, the comfort, usability, those are big items for us. So, you know, this boat has lithium iron phosphate batteries, so no generator. So you're running your inverter powered heat pump or air conditioning off those lithium batteries. So
nice, quiet,
efficient, and it's the latest and greatest.
Yeah, and the outboard power, so you don't have any room taken up by engine compartments, and you've got the modern, quiet, efficient engines. And we got twins, so, you know, we've got all the joystick control.
Yeah. All the fun stuff.
This would have been a shorter interview if I said, what don't you have?
Yeah, you're right. And that is how we build boats. We don't do a base model. Everything we sell, the most basic model is still, we call it comfortably equipped and ready to cruise. Because we don't want anyone buying a boat and then getting out there and realizing they need something else. These boats, this is basically a stock boat here. You're going to have both Garmin screens, you're going to have autopilot, you're going to have the lithium batteries, you're going to have the inverter powered air and heat, and that's all just, there's no option on that. That's how it comes.
Very cool. So if you're at a boat show, of course, you can come find you. Otherwise, how do we find out more about this boat?
This would be cutwaterboats.com.
Fantastic. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, we'll stay in here till the rain stops.